What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my next video, my new drawing challenge. And this time I'm going to be working on Deadpool. And this character I've known this character for a long time. I think I read this character back in the early 90s, back when he was actually a super villain. And I guess with the new movies that's coming out now, and with Deadpool 1 and 2, he's been made into like this anti-hero now with a sense of humor. But I've known him for being kind of like a villain. But for this, I decided to try to do a 10 minutes picture with him, and I started out with the red pencil that I normally use, and then the 0.5 micro pen to try to get the pieces down pretty quick. Trying to manage my time. I actually wanted to use a red marker at some point, but I didn't know how much time I had left, so using the marker, I didn't know if I was able to bring it in. Plus I didn't know where it was, so I had to kind of wing it at the end. I'm making it in the darks with the Pentel brush pen. Trying to get all the blacks and the shapes for the design of his shirt. For Deadpool, I didn't really start getting into Deadpool until I think a little bit later, because I wasn't really collecting his books like that. And I think when he started to change his persona into like the anti-hero type of thing, I was still kind of reading X-Men anyway, so I know he was a part of X-Force, but I still wasn't really, he wasn't popular with me, at least. Again, trying to get in the darks at the back of him. I wanted to add a black background, but I ended up actually using the brush pen to cross hatch the background because I couldn't run out of the ink with my thick black marker. No, finishing it up. And now for the 1 minute, I was trying to get big shapes to try to jot down his face quickly to see how fast I can get his face down, using just making a circle and the eyes, just so you can kind of, I guess, still know what he looks like, even though it's going to be a pretty messed up picture. So I ended up using the red pencil, even though I didn't have much time, but I still wanted to kind of make some type of structure. And I went straight to the inks after that, using the 0.5 micro pen. I was trying to get it going slow, but at the same time I was still kind of drawing this and watching the clock at the same time. Almost there, but I couldn't quite get it. I think I barely even got to feel the black in his mask. Yep, didn't quite cut it. I mean, it still looks like him, but just a different version of him. And the 10-second one, that's the one where it's going to be, that's the rough one. That one's always hard to get. I'm trying to find a place for the timer. The lights get in the way. For this one, 10-second one is always hard. I kind of just rushed it, threw some stuff in there, and see how fast it is. That's about as good as I can get. Anyway, if you like this video or see more of this type of video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Alright, take care.